Have you ever found yourself on an early morning phone call with a customer where there are senior leaders from that customer that want to know, when is that part going to ship? Have you ever had to make a personal commitment on that call to your customer that that part was going to ship that day or the next day, only for that meeting to conclude and for you to receive a call from your ops director to say, you know, that part that's supposed to ship, that machine just went down? I have. I understand your frustrations. I understand the angst that is felt when you've personally made a commitment to your customers. Because in business, relationships are everything and they're built on trust. Welcome to KRC's largest complete maintenance solution sites. I'm Darren Levac, I'm the Managing Director. We have the solution for you as it pertains to your maintenance needs.
I'm Caitlin DeVore, I'm the Marketing Manager for KRC Machine Tool Solutions. You know, so often there's a perception out there that maintenance is the bad guy. They're the ones always screwing everything up. Well, we want to change that. We want you to realize that maintenance, they can be the heroes. We are here at one of our largest complete maintenance solution sites with over 17 acres, 500,000 square feet, 9 buildings, and over 500 key assets. We maintain it all.
KRC's complete maintenance solution takes care of all the machines within the 4 walls of the factory. That includes NC pieces of equipment, special processing equipment, and more. We also focus on your facilities needs to include HVAC and overhead hoisting cranes, just to name a few.
I am John, a value stream manager. Since KRC has taken over our preventive maintenance program, they provide us a schedule, work with our planners so they can schedule this in there on a monthly basis and have a list of all the machines that need to be maintenance. By us adhering to that schedule and working with them as a partner has tremendously improved our uptime of our machines.
Since we've been on site here at our largest facility, we have decreased the downtime by 70% and machine availability is up to 98%. We have helped to eliminate almost $2 million in unplanned maintenance cost.
You might be asking yourself, what is the KRC difference? The KRC difference is that we're operationally minded. All of the leadership within the complete maintenance group have all led operations teams, so we get it. We also have what we call our no failure policy at KRC. That is that long after an OEM has said that the machine is dead, it can't be repaired, it's not supported, we've gone in there and we've been able to resurrect these machines because we know, we understand how critical those machines are to your business and your personal success. That is the KRC difference.
Hi, my name is Gerard Cloutier. I'm the General Manager of the Southern California facility. Well, we start our days here with an internal kickoff meeting where we review customer priorities, we look at our resources available for the day, we talk about safety and the importance of that for our team members and our customers, and finally we re-emphasize every day the importance of communication to our customer.
KRC's #1 asset is our people. We focus on hiring the best, retaining the best, and then educating the best to meet all of your maintenance needs.
Being a member of KRC has been a great experience. This is the first organization I've been a part of where we've got not only the internal team members and assets and knowledge, I've got a nationwide list of contacts within the KRC organization that I can reach out and get immediate access to. As part of previous organizations, I've had to call outside vendors, outside sources, whereas the breadth of knowledge within KRC is absolutely amazing.
What differentiates KRC from our competition is our focus. We focus on our people, we focus on our processes, we focus on ensuring that we have world-class customer communication.
It is our mission to create a relationship with our customers that turns into a strategic partnership.
Outsourcing maintenance is one of the most difficult decisions that you'll need to make as a business leader. After 3 months of implementation with KRC, you'll be saying that that was the best decision you've ever made. Thank you.